Have you ever wondered if there are places on Earth where simply taking one wrong step could cost you your life? From poisonous lakes that can turn animals into stone to islands where thousands of deadly snakes rule the land, our planet hides locations so dangerous that governments have banned people from entering them. And the most terrifying place on this list isn't dangerous because of nature, it's because of something humans created. Snake Island, the island ruled by venom.
Imagine an island where every few steps could bring you face to face with one of the world's deadliest snakes. That's exactly what exists off the coast of Brazil. Ilha de Queimada Grande, better known as Snake Island, is home to the critically endangered golden lancehead pit viper. Scientists estimate there are thousands of snakes living there. Because the island became isolated thousands of years ago, these snakes evolved without natural predators. Their venom became incredibly powerful, capable of rapidly attacking the tissues of birds, their primary prey. The Brazilian government strictly prohibits visitors from entering the island, except for authorized researchers. It's one of the few places where nature has completely taken control. But as terrifying as snakes are, the next place doesn't even need animals to kill you. Lake Natron. The lake that turns animals into stone.
At first glance, Tanzania's Lake Natron looks breathtaking. Its bright red waters almost seem unreal, but beneath that beauty lies one of the harshest environments on Earth. The lake contains extremely high levels of sodium carbonate and other alkaline minerals. Its pH can reach around 10.5, making it nearly as caustic as ammonia. Animals that accidentally fall into the water often die, and the mineral-rich water preserves their bodies in eerie, stone-like poses. Despite these extreme conditions, lesser flamingos thrive here, using the lake as a safe breeding ground because most predators can't survive in its waters. Nature has found a way to turn danger into protection. But our next location doesn't just poison you, it can explode without warning.
Lake Kivu, the explosive lake.
Between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of the Congo sits Lake Kivu, one of the most beautiful lakes in Africa. Hidden beneath its calm surface are enormous amounts of dissolved methane and carbon dioxide. If an earthquake or volcanic eruption disturbs the lake, these gases could suddenly burst upward in what's known as a limnic eruption. Similar disasters have happened before. In 1986, nearby Lake Nyos released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide that suffocated more than 1,700 people in just a few hours. Scientists continuously monitor Lake Kivu and even extract methane to reduce the risk while generating electricity. Sometimes the greatest danger isn't what you can see, it's what remains hidden beneath the surface. Speaking of hidden dangers, our next destination can reach temperatures hot enough to cook your shoes.
Death Valley, where heat becomes deadly.
Death Valley in California holds the record for one of the highest air temperatures ever reliably recorded on Earth, 56.7 degrees Celsius or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. During summer, ground temperatures can exceed 80 degrees Celsius. At those temperatures, vehicle tires can fail, electronics overheat, and severe dehydration can happen in minutes if you're unprepared. Yet life still exists here. Specialized plants bloom after rare rains, and animals survive by becoming active only at night. Death Valley reminds us that survival isn't always about strength, it's about adaptation. But even this scorching desert looks welcoming compared to the frozen danger waiting next.
Mount Washington, the world's worst weather. Most people think Everest has the world's harshest weather. Surprisingly, Mount Washington in New Hampshire has earned a reputation for some of the most extreme weather on the planet. Its unique geography funnels air masses together, producing hurricane-force winds, freezing temperatures, thick fog, and sudden storms. In 1934, wind speeds reached 231 miles per hour, setting a world record at the time. Hikers often begin their journey under blue skies, only to face blizzard conditions hours later. The mountain proves that danger doesn't always come from height, it comes from unpredictability. And our next place is so radioactive that even spending a few minutes there can be risky.
Chernobyl, a city frozen in time. In 1986, reactor number 4 at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded, creating the worst nuclear disaster in history. The nearby city of Pripyat was evacuated so quickly that toys, books, and even meals were left behind. Today, the city stands almost exactly as it did decades ago. Although radiation levels have dropped significantly in many areas, certain hotspots remain dangerous. Ironically, wildlife has returned. Wolves, deer, wild horses, and bears now roam the exclusion zone, showing nature's remarkable ability to recover when humans disappear. But the next location isn't abandoned. It actively threatens anyone who gets too close.
Danakil Depression, Earth's alien landscape. Located in Ethiopia, the Danakil Depression is one of the hottest inhabited places on Earth. Here, you'll find colorful pools of acid, bubbling sulfur springs, toxic gases, and active volcanic activity. The vivid yellow, green, and orange colors create landscapes that look more like another planet than Earth. Temperatures often exceed 45 degrees Celsius throughout the year, while underground magma constantly reshapes the terrain. Scientists study this region because its extreme conditions may resemble environments found on Mars. But if you think this is Earth's most dangerous place, think again. Because our final destination threatens millions of people at once.
The Yellowstone Supervolcano, the sleeping giant. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies one of the world's largest volcanic systems. Although millions visit safely every year, scientists closely monitor the area because it sits above a massive supervolcano. A supereruption is considered extremely unlikely anytime soon, but if one were to occur, it could spread volcanic ash across huge parts of North America, disrupt global temperatures, damage agriculture, and affect economies worldwide. Fortunately, the U.S. Geological Survey continuously monitors Yellowstone, and there are currently no signs that such an eruption is imminent. Sometimes, the most dangerous place isn't dangerous today, but because of what it could become.
From islands ruled by venomous snakes and lakes hiding invisible killers to radioactive ghost towns and sleeping supervolcanoes, Earth constantly reminds us how powerful nature truly is. The scariest part isn't that these places exist, it's that many of them look completely ordinary, until it's too late. Which of these dangerous places surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's most dangerous locations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible fact.